Yes, very good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Yes. Good afternoon. So today I'm going to discuss about there is a concept called as special statements. I hope we have discussed about conditional as well as looping statements. So let us understand what is the purpose of the break, how the continuous statement, past statements are relevant to the special statements. Let us understand now. Yeah. So the break statement basically, the break is stop the loop instructions when
Sir, we are not able to see the screen.
Recording not started and screen also not sharing.
I have stayed now. Are you able to see now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So today I'm discussing about, there is a concept called special statements, where there is a break statement, continuous statement, and past statement. So now I'm talking about there is a statement called break. The break is basically it stops the loop instructions when certain abnormal condition occurs. Yeah. So let us take an example and let me demonstrate what exactly the break statement will do. Write a Python program to stop execution when Gmail ID consists special operator called underscore. Yeah, so here if you look at very carefully, my aim is I'm taking a Gmail ID here where Venkat underscore Nayak 123@gmail.com of that. See here, according to the Gmail, underscore is not allowed. So what I'm trying to tell you here, I'm trying to stop execution when a Gmail ID consisting of a special operator called as a underscore. It will be read each character, but the moment when encounters underscore, it will be stop executing and it will be tell you that you are violating the rule. Even let me show you. Firstly, before going to that, so here I'm trying to create a new mail ID. Here Venkat Last name is Naik. Next. So here I'm trying to create my own mail ID, which is Venkat underscore Naik 123 at gmail.com. The problem is whenever I'm giving an underscore, whenever I'm trying to hit onto the next, it will be tell you an error. What is an error? You see, this is an error. What is this error? Sorry. Only the letters 1 to A to Z, 0 to 9, and there is an operator called as a period operator. Dot will be allowed. But here I have used, there is an operator called as underscore. So the Gmail ID is not allowing me to create with this. It will be stop the execution of the part after this encounters this operator. The same kind of a problem we wanted to be detected by the program, and I wanted to demonstrate what is the use of the break statement here. Our aim is why the break statement is used here. Okay, let's go back to the program now. Okay, what I'm trying to do here, read each character from the Gmail and detect underscore then call break statement. For further statements should not execute. Yeah. So for each character ch in operator from the Gmail ID. Cool. So what is the rule here? I'm trying to print each character. I'm trying to print each character. ch comma end is equal to each character. Then I'm checking the condition if while reading if the ch is equal to underscore, I'm trying to tell you that printer that sorry only A to Z and 0 to 9 dot operator allowed to create mail ID. Then I'm going to call there is a break statement. Yeah. So you just need not to execute. You need not to execute this program. Directly you just copy this program and trying to paste into like in a Python tutor. You will be get to know what happens here. Gmail ID is holding characters. Now for loop is currently from the Gmail, V is stored into CH. First character is stored into V. Now here it will be printed onto the screen. Here V will be printed. Then it is checking is V is equal to underscore? No. If this condition become false, the cursor will again go back to the for loop. Then it will be read the next character called as the E, then N, then K, A, T. The moment whenever the underscore is encountered, then the print statement will be executed. The break is going to call. Further, for loop will not be executed. It will become out of it. See now. Let's click on next. V is printed onto the screen. Again, is that checking? Is V is equal to underscore or not? Obviously, no, right? What happens? If condition fail, it will be go back to for loop. You see, it has went back to for loop. Okay, okay, yeah. So you see here. So here, currently we have, there is a character called as E. You see here very closely, observe here. The second character is read from this particular Gmail ID. So is that printing onto the screen? Where here? E. See, printed. Then it is checking that character E is equal to underscore or not. Okay. No. Again, N will be taken. N is not equal to underscore. Here. K will be taken. K is not equal to underscore. Condition failed. Again, it will be take A. It will be taking T. Next, it will be taking underscore. Now underscore. Here, if you look at, now the character is having underscore. It will be printed onto the screen. Then it is checking is that underscore is equal to underscore or not. It will become true. Then it will be print onto this screen. Then it will be called the break statement. You see now. Next. Obviously, the character holding which is underscore is equal to underscore. Yes. Print, it will be print sorry, only A to Z and 0 to 9 and operator will be allowed onto the screen. Yes. Then break statement will call. The moment whenever a break statement is called, the red mark will be disabled. It will be stop executing rest of the characters, because in the mail ID still there will be left of the characters. These characters will not be read. NAIK123@gmail.com. It will not be able to access it. Yes or no? You see now. Next. That's so. What did you understand about the break statement? I already wrote break statement about it. You see now. The break statement is stop the loop instructions when the certain abnormal condition occurs. Which means what? The abnormal condition is what? When the underscore you have used as part of the Gmail ID, then I have to call the break statement. I have to stop the creating rest of the mail ID because the Gmail ID doesn't accept. Yes or no? Yeah, yeah. So this is the purpose of the break statement. Guys, did you understand everyone? Can you confirm? Did you understand everyone the purpose of the break statement?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah.
Sir.
Yeah. So let us go with a continuous statement. So continuous statement is enable to execute body of the loop instructions, even though unwanted desired condition occurs. So this continue operator is look like, little opposite to the break statement. When the break statement encounter this condition, it will be stop executing, the rest of the loop conditions will be executed. But to continue statement, even though this condition is occurred, still it will be able to continue the rest of the process. You'll see now, you see the same example, what I am trying to tell you here. Here. The same example I'll take. Rather than break statement, I will be called continue statement. Continue statement. And you check with so I hope you are seeing my screen. Yeah, so you just trying to write this particular print statement after this. You remove this here, it's not appropriate place. Yes or no? But I'm just calling with the continue statement. Executed. If you look at here, there is a underscore is detected here, but still the complete mail ID is created. Let us take the same example. Let us say the same program. Yeah, I'm taking the continue statement here. Can you execute this program and check how it is different from? Gmail ID is holding it. For loop is reading each character. Firstly, it will be called VENKAT. Now, there is an underscore operator is there. Now, the underscore operator will be printed. It will be printed onto the screen. Then it is saying like underscore is equal to underscore, yes. Now break statement was there. That time, it was completely stopped creating the mail ID, it will be come out of it. But what happens with a continue statement? Even though the underscore is detected, still it will be continue the rest of the loop statement. It will be read rest of the characters, then it will be print, then it will be called tell this particular statement. That's the difference between. You see, continue, next character will be taken. NAIK123 @gmail.com. So complete characters are over. Okay. Now obviously in operator will be failed. Then it will be print the last statement. that, sorry, only A to Z and 0 to 9 and dot operators are allowed in mail ID. Just like a hint, it will be tell you. Yes or no? So there are many situations. Let's suppose washing machine. There is an interruption would happen, like a door is opened by the children's. What it will do? It will not stop the entire the process. It will be give you little alert, that beep sound it will be give you. As soon as you close the door, it will be continue the rest of the process. Sometimes the power will be unplugged. Sometimes the water will be not sufficient. There are many situations like, sudden door open, water insufficient, and the power fluctuate. These are all reasons. Here we are going to use, there is a continue statement, not a break statement. But there are some situations, factory alarm, where we use the break statement. When the fire will come, the break statement will call, rest of the process will stop, and then it will give you, bigger alarm sound, such a way that the people who are there in the factory will be come out of it. There we are going to use the break statement. So applying the break statement and applying the continue statement are completely different. Are you clear? Let us take one more example. Apply break statement while counting notes by money dispenser machine. So my condition is what? I'm having certain list of series. List of series means current note series. There will be 2211, 2233, sorry, 22, and 2244, 2255, 2266, 2226, and 2227. Again the correct series, 2277, 2288. Now, I hope you understand. Here, there will be, these are all correct series. But whereas here, this and this are the fake note series. These are fake note series. Okay. The main purpose is that when to apply the break statement. Whenever the fake note series is detected, I don't want to continue to count the rest of the notes, because these two are the valid series. Red mark will be valid series and blue are the invalid. These two are the invalid series. If you call the break statement, it will be stop counting these note series and tell you that the fake note is detected. But when to apply the continue statement, even though the fake note series is detected, it will be count the rest of the characters, rest of the series. Then it will called a continue statement. Let us write a program. Okay. For yes, in operator, list of series. Now, if S is equal to 222 6 or S is equal to, or sorry, it's not needed, 222 7. Here also this is not required. So that it will be tell you that printer fake note series detected. Then it will be print, isn't it? Then I am going to call there is a break statement. You see now? Let us take this particular entire the program and copy into Python tutor. That show you how exactly the detection would happen. It will show you completely how the the execution part is going to happen. Okay. It is created an array. Oh, sorry, here there is a small error mistake. There is no off. It's a series. Okay. Here it is created an array. It is an array. 0th element is this. First element is this. Like this, it will be created. Now the problem is with these two. Now what is the checking would happen? Firstly, the for loop will be read each character. Now if you look at currently the for loop is reading a first number, which is this 2211. Now the next statement, what this third line will do is 2211 is equal to these numbers? No. Obviously, if 2211 is not equal to these numbers, this condition become fail. This condition became fail. Okay. Then if the if condition become fail, these two statement doesn't execute it. Simply it will be go back. It will be go back. Okay. You see now, next went back. Now the next number 2222 will come. I hope you are tracking here. You are tracking here. 2222. 2222 is not either this nor this. So obviously, if statement failed, it will be go back to the for loop. Now 2244 not equal to that. Now 2255 not equal to that. Now 2266 not equal to that. Now 2226 is there. Now 2266 equal to this. Therefore, the fourth line will be get executed because this condition become true, right? Then it will be saying that fake note series is detected here. It will be give you an output to you. Then it will be called the break statement. You see now? Next. Yeah, it will be say that fake note series detected 2226. Then break will be called. The moment when the break will be called, for loop will be completely disabled. It will be terminated. Further instructions and this red mark will be get disabled. You see now? Next. That's what. The moment when the break statement will be get detected, further still there are some character 2277, 2288 are there. They won't be able to call. Simply here only the execution will be get stopped because it's a fake note, isn't it? So now the point here is that break statement will be called or it will be execute the instruction till the valid instructions will be executed. If the condition will be met, it will be start executing further instructions to be executed. Now I'll be go with a while loop. I'll go with a continue statement. Now the same program, I'll be going with a continue statement. What happens here? Here, I'm not going to be right over here. Thus, I'll be writing here. I'll be writing continue statement, and here the statement will be get removed, and it will be right after the for loop. Okay. Otherwise, paste here, or else we can write here the print statement, because all the numbers we require, right? So yes, and is equal to this. You see the output now? Sorry, here it is not a list of, it is only list series. So if you observe very carefully that up to, I think 1 second, just hold on. 2288, okay, and 222, yeah. If you look at carefully, 2226 and 2227 are detected as a fake note series. The red, but counting mission will not be stopped. It will be keep on dispensing the mission. If you want little meaningfully, let's you keep you just try to keep here next line. Yeah, 1 second, let's see. No, I think 2211. No. No, not required. I think so. So here the thing is that, okay. I think this is the perfect series. As per my knowledge, these are all valid numbers. These are all valid numbers, valid series. When the 2226 came, fake note series detected message will be given. Still, it will be count the next character. Even 2227 is also the fake note series. Then obviously these are all valid series. These are all valid series. These are all invalid fake notes, and these are all valid series. This is how, I hope you understand. Continue statement will be even though a condition occurs, still it will be enable the rest of the instructions to be executed. What's the statement I told you? You just try to understand here. Continue statement will be enabled to execute the body of the loop instructions even though an unwanted condition occurs. అంటే ఈ కండిషన్ అక్కర్ అయినా మిగతా ప్రాసెస్ని అలాగనే మనకి డిస్పెన్సరీ మిషన్ కావాలి. మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా ఏటీఎంకి వెళ్తే ఏదైనా ఫేక్ నోట్ సిరీస్ కానీ ఏదైనా ప్రాబ్లం అయిన నోట్ని బయటకి విసిరేసి మిగతా నోట్స్ కౌంట్ చేస్తుంది. ఇట్ డస్ నాట్ స్టాప్ దట్. I think that you have seen already the continuous statement where This is the right application area where the continuous statement will be applicable. Guys, do you understand about the difference between continue and break? Or else do you have any questions?
I'm clear.
Yes. Okay.
Sir, just one question, sir. So the break statement and the continue statement should be below the print statement mostly.
No. Print statement ను ఇవ్వాలా లేదా అనేది ఇది కాదు. మనకి ముందు రాయాలా వెనక రాయాలి అనేది ఎలా కావాలి అనుకున్నాము. ప్రజెంట్ మనము ఇక్కడ ఫర్ లూప్ లో అవుతూ ఉంటది. ఒక్కొక్క స్టేట్మెంట్ ఇది రీడ్ అవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది, ఇక్కడికి వస్తుంది. ఆబ్వియస్లీ 2211 కరెక్ట్ కాదు, ఈవెన్ ఇది కూడా కరెక్ట్ కాదు, మళ్ళీ వెనక్కి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. సో అలా ఈ ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ అన్నీ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత మనకేం కావాలి, ఎప్పుడైతే ఈ రెండు స్టేట్మెంట్లు ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అయ్యేటప్పుడు అవి ఫేక్ నోట్ అని మనకి చెప్పాలి కదా. అంటే నార్మల్గా నువ్వు మనీ డిస్పెన్సరీ మిషన్లో చూస్తే ఒక ఎల్లో కలర్లో ఒక చిన్న డిస్ప్లే ఉంటుంది, అక్కడ చూపిస్తుంది మనకి ఫేక్ నోట్ సిరీస్ డిటెక్టెడ్, ప్లీజ్ రిమూవ్ అండ్ దెన్ యూ ఇన్సర్ట్ ది బండల్ అగైన్ అని. సో మనకి అది చూపించడం కోసం ఇది రాస్తున్నాం. ఇక్కడ రాసింది రియల్ కాదు. నార్మల్గా నువ్వు రియల్ మిషన్ తీసుకో, రియల్ మిషన్లో ఏం చెప్తుంది, ఒక బీఫ్ సౌండ్ వస్తుంది మనకి, క్యూ అని ఒక సౌండ్ వస్తుంది, అంటే అది ఫేక్ నోట్ సిరీస్ అని. వన్స్ ఆ నోట్ బయటకు తీసేసిన తర్వాత కంటిన్యూ మళ్ళీ అలాగనే ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది. మళ్ళీ దీనికి ఫర్ లూప్కి వెళ్తుంది, మళ్ళీ ఈ ఏదైతే నోట్ ఫేక్ అవుతుందో అది మనం తీసేస్తాము, మళ్ళీ ఫేక్ నోట్ వస్తే అది కూడా తీసేస్తాము, మళ్ళీ కంటిన్యూ అయ్యి ఇది కూడా రీడ్ అవుతుంది, ఇది కూడా అయిపోతుంది. సో ఇప్పుడు ఒకవేళ 100 నోట్లు పెట్టామనుకో, మనము 98 నోట్లు చూపిస్తుంది, 2 నోట్స్ వచ్చేసి ఫేక్ అని చూపిస్తుంది. సో ఈ ప్రింట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఎందుకు రాయాలి, ఎందుకు రాయకూడదు అనేది నీకు రియల్గా అవసరం ఉన్నప్పుడు దాని ప్రకారంగా రాయాలి. దట్స్ ఓకే.
ఓకే.
The last statement that's, I'll share you many more examples related to when to apply break and when to apply continue, and even e-commerce applications, testing, DevOps. There are many more examples I'll share you in the paper, like, with appropriate file to you. Just understand it. Let's go with the next example is that past statement. The past is this statement is used to create empty body of the class and method and the loop in Python. And implementation of the loop body can be done in future. Let us see what exactly the past statement will be used for. What it is saying, the past statement is used in Python to create an empty body of a class, of a method, of a loop. In generally, a class never be declared empty, a method never be empty, a loop never be empty. But according to the past statement, it allow you to be create a dummy class, a dummy method, and dummy loop. How it will be? See, in the Python, basically, there is an object-oriented syntax to create a class. That the name of the class is the keyword, which means class is nothing but it's a done time entity. It's not a right time to talk a little more about a class, but class is used to define the data in an organic manner, in a systematic manner about an entity. about an attributes. That's a definition right now. It is an object-oriented concept basically. The class can be defined with the help of a keyword. Class is nothing but, let's suppose, smartwatch. See, last 10 years back, there was no smartwatch actually. Apple had an idea. There is a one watch. It will be a smart digital watch, as well as it will be act as a mobile. Neither you consider as a watch, nor it will be considered as a mobile. It has a dual functionality. When the idea the Apple has, they don't know how to implement it, but they named it as smartwatch. Right now, they don't know. Then I'll be called the past statement. In future, they will be implemented. If you execute, it does not throw any error. If you execute, it does not. But if you remove the pass, a class never been empty. It will be throws an error to you. Syntactical error, incomplete input. It shouldn't be. Therefore, the pass is the statement which allows in the Python to write a class as an empty, that the empty body can be implemented in future. Similarly, there is a class Omicron. It is a one kind of a disease. Even the China people doesn't know what could be symptoms of the Omicron. But they defined which is Omicron is a one kind of a disease like a corona. They don't know what kind of a symptoms, how to implement it. Just they simply write it as a class. Yes or no? There are many situations where the class will be defined but the body implemented in future. Similarly, there is a method. There is a function concept. Definition. Man can fly. There is a method. Parameter 1, parameter 2, parameter n. Now, I don't know how to create a man to fly. But in future, I can able to write the code using AI, just like a robot. This is a method. Man doesn't have a method to fly. But if I write the program with a humanoid robot such a way that the way how drone is flying, even man can also fly. I'll implement that method in future. But right now, I don't know. That's how the method can be defined as an empty body with a past statement. Very clear? Similarly, there is a loop. For loop, I in operator, something I'll be defined, something called as, probably, what is the name called, what is called AI teacher. I don't know what to do with the for loop now. I'll be keep just simply pass. Right now, I don't know what to do with the for loop. Just I'll simply keep abstract that, it doesn't have any code. If you remove, it will be throws an error to you. But if you keep pass, it doesn't throw any error to you. So pass is going to be helpful. Now you go back to the definition of pass. Pass statement is used to create an empty body of the class and method and loop in a Python that will be implemented in future. That's the purpose of the pass special statement. That's the pass. It's a special statement to create an empty body of the class, empty body of the method, empty body of the loop. Is that clear, everyone, guys?
Yeah.
Yes. That's all. There is a one more written statement is there in special. I think in tomorrow's class I'll be start talking about a functions concept. Then I'll be teach about a written statement because it's not our time to discuss about it. So with this, the today's class I'm just concluding. Today we have learned there is a break statement, there is a continue statement, there is a pass statement. I think I'm concluding this particular session with this particular pass statement. Do you have any queries? You can ask me so that I'll be wind up the class.
So just I have one question, sir, and a basic question.
Yeah.
So whenever like we have created the class with body pass keyboard. So whenever I'm like in future I want to write the some methods or some